Hi everybody, FreeState Flow Solutions is about to bring something exciting and new out to our customers, end users, and engineers. This is a mobile training demo laboratory. It's an 8 by 20 foot utility trailer, complete with air for operation and electrical power to be able to run electrical devices. We've got set up over here a few things that will be some examples of what we'll be bringing out. We'll customize it specifically to the industry or end user. We'll be able to train maintenance and technical staff at a plant, at an OEM, at an engineering firm, the different products that we can to offer and actually provide some hands-on experience with it. We can run 4 to 20 devices with our loop calibrator. We have air piping run throughout this left-hand side of the trailer to be able to do that. We can interchange. We'll have all of our working demos and cutaways and whatnot. We can interchange those, install those on the vise to be able to do some hands-on training. We have a 50-inch flat screen TV that's mounted to the wall. Hopefully we'll stay there as we travel. And we can operate the TV with a laptop that we can store all of our literature and IOMs, presentations on. Just a quick example. We're gonna highlight, made some laminated signs that we can highlight the different products that we're displaying at the time. We have air piping run, as I said earlier. This little control valve diverts air from one side to the other, or we can run double acting, porting in both sides of an actuator. We have air, we have a compressor that is portable, quiet DeWalt compressor that we can pipe in through the exterior of the trailer. On this side, we have a functional control loop. Basically, it's a fluid containing clear PVC piping, all custom fabricated. We have a swing check valve. We have an RTK electric operated control valve, an electric actuated butterfly valve, all of which can be operated manually, or in this case, using our loop calibrator. We'll bring literature with us and maybe some other odds and ends. But we're looking forward to bringing this out to everybody and showing you and training your staff.